everybody, it's Julie. Today I have a funny page, journaling page idea for you. It is one of our new elements for this month's junk journal challenge. We call it the new refrigerator with wrapped sandwich. It is a journaling space idea. I have 2 pages from my favorite. So I used a favorite. This was my mom's purple paper, and I am using it. I have a piece of the coffee dyed paper pad, and I've already cut these down to 8 1/4, which is the size that I need. And then this one, this is the calendar, and I'm going to go ahead and just rip it, okay? So, and then I'll save those. Okay, so that gives me that. And what I'm going to do so these don't keep sticking together is I'm going to take this one out, turn it the other way, and, you know, that way they probably won't stick together because the other way they've lived together for a long time. So I have 3 pages here, and I need 4. And then I'm going to want to bring out a piece of my fabric. And so let's see, do I want to use this one? Or I have a couple. I don't see the other one. Here it is. It's falling the other direction. I deleted about 10 to 15 minutes of me trying to figure out what to do. But here we go. Okay. And then we need to cut it so that it's the same. Same. Okay. Pull all the fray off. I'm afraid so. Okay. Then I want to make sure my birds are all in the same direction. And what's going to happen is I'm going to go ahead and attach this on the inside of my paper. Now you can add more sheets in here. I am going to go ahead and I need to add another sheet. So I have a total of 4. If this was for me, I might add 5 or 6 sheets into this, but we only need 4. So I'm going to use a page out of my book that I used for my cover, and we're going to put that right there inside the sandwich. So, because I said 4 sheets when I was doing it before, that we would have 4 sheets. Okay, so there's that. So we're going to go ahead and take our glue, and now you can do this with paper. I'm going to do it with fabric because this is the fabric and favorite February junk journal challenge.
Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and lay that on there. Okay, and that will come up. Okay, so this will go here, and that will go like that. And I put it in upside. You guys.
Your birds it needs to go in the right side because you're going to flip it over. You know, originally I was going to make 2 of these. I was going to do one because I'm trying to come up with new ideas, not just the same old, same old. And some of them are, they're a little bit hard to figure out. Okay, so I'm on the purple, the light purple, okay? So, this is going to come around like this, okay? so this part is my refrigerator, even though it's going to be okay. But your wrapped sandwich, we still need to wrap our sandwich. And so I do have see, I had a doily here, and then this was like that, and it looked really, really cool. Got it. I have the lace. Okay, so yeah, so that can go over here for right now. And there is a pretty edge on this lace. So kind of the same idea that the other had. Okay, I'm just gonna come down here and cut that. Okay. So now the thing about this is I do want it on the next, whatever the next piece is going to be in here. And if I fold it in this direction, okay, this can sit on top of that. Okay. And it can there we go. There we go. Now it could be a pocket, or it could, I don't think we need more pockets. I think we need that to just go like that, and we'll cover it, and then we'll cut it down. So it'll look like a lace pocket, but it'll be over the top of the, okay, and then this will go in, yeah, like that. Okay, so then we clean up the edges. So I did the refrigerator thing. I did that in the VIP. So that was in the wallpaper cover clutch journal. Okay, so this is going to go like this. Okay, so this will be in the, okay, like this. This will come this way. This will come this way. Okay. You go ahead and you turn, and you turn, and you turn, and you turn, and this will get attached to something here, and this will get attached to something here. And this opens up. There's your wrap. So So that's your sandwich, okay? And I did go ahead and I had stamped the back of that calendar page with my ink dauber. Okay, so that can go like that. And then I think this might be really pretty on there. Okay, so lace is one of my favorites. And the okay, so let's go ahead and figure out this. I coffee dyed this lace. It was very bright lavender, and I coffee dyed it. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and put this on with the gobbledygook. Gobbledygook. Okay. So there we go. Then we'll put it down. And I may come up with something to go in there to help keep it strong, that I'm going to want to go through the digitals and things and find the perfect thing that will go in there, because it can go in there and be the strength of this. So this is the sandwich, this is the wrap, this is the refrigerator door. Okay, that, I know it's silly, but that's that's what it is. So for the one that I did before, I already had my pages together, and the doily was right here, and I had a map page here that that was a large, well, it was an 8.5 by, it was in a traveler's notebook size journal, so it had a flap, and I just took the flap and put it over, so the doily went in and the flap went over, and that's how that came up with that name. It's silly, but now if you're putting this into a altered book, you're going to have to do it like a tip-in with your pages. And so what I would probably do is I would have my sandwich figured out. Okay, have the sandwich figured out. Your outside page of your sandwich could have this, but I mean, you have to use fabric, so why not use it as your flap? It works really, really good. And then this piece could be attached to the part of your where your flip-flop or your tip-in is being closed in. So that's how I would do that. You notice it only has 1/2 of those papers. The other ones are over here all by themselves, waiting for something else. Okay, so when I do this, this has to be in really good. Okay, remember that's going to go, it's going to attach itself to the next page. It's going to attach itself. Okay, and then in here, I've got a spot that I'm going to be able to put something inside there that is going to help hold that. I mean, give it more stability. Okay, so So my lace is my favorite. My my fabric is my fabric. And then I need to add some of the other things from the kit to it. And so, let's see. I can add a ribbon, because ribbon is one of my favorites, so I can add that. And I haven't gone through and cut up my kit yet for the most part. So we need to add the 3 more things is what we need to add here. But I think the ribbon would be pretty. It's not too bulky. Okay. See if I can get it in that part where the, yeah. Okay, up here I did, from the digitals, I have a couple of the postcards from the postcard page. Kind of like maybe just that one. I have the insurance card. Too small. I was like, oh, I could put that in there. Okay, so ribbon. Don't think the antiquing is really gonna go. This is when it gets hard, you guys. It's like, oh, okay, what are we gonna do? Ribbon, lace, fabric. How about metal brads and metal charms? So I have added my metals. So I have these dragonfly brads in my stash. Remember, this is the stash buster. We are trying to use things that we've got. And so this goes in this direction. And I have a leaf. I'm not going to put it through the top hole. I want to put it like I landed on the leaf. Okay, so let's see. Yeah, like that. Okay, and okay, so we'll come through. We'll open our brad. Okay, there we go. Ribbon, brad, and charm. Okay, I like it. Okay, so it's kind of going to be interesting until we do get it all put together, but that is how I'm going to do that. Okay, so refrigerator door, wrapping, there's your sandwich. Okay, then over here is the other side of your sandwich, and it's just hanging out. Kind of cool. Kind of cool. I think we should add, because you can actually notice the goodie there. Okay. So you open it. You open it. Your wrap is separate from your refrigerator door. This is your sandwich. You can have 4 pages of the same thing or 4 pages of different things, different sizes. I wanted to show you that. And then that just closes. And because of all of this going on right here, the weight of it, it's going to be fine. Okay, it's going to be fine. And I love that this hangs out on both sides. I don't know about the strings because you know me and strings, but other than that, I'm pretty happy with it. Okay, so we do have another element is finished for my February Fabric and Favorite Stash Buster Junk Journal Challenge 2024. Have you started? Don't forget the details videos in the description box down below. And also all the digitals are on sale. Today's the last day. So you'll want to go and check that out. And so Bonnie and April, there you go. That's 2 of them. 2 new ones done. We have 2 to go. So yeah, okay, there you go. You can open it, and there you go. So the fabric, there's my fabric. Remember, it is all the way over here, and it is a hinge attached to the back side of that sandwich. My wrap, I attached it to a little pocket hinge that I'm going to be using. It'll attach to 2 pages, and that's how I was able to get it in there. You do what you got to do. I love it. So there's that one. This was our flip-flop with a journaling card, hidden journaling card in the flap. And so 2 down, several to go. But that is that. Find something to celebrate every day. Have an amazing day. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Bye-bye.